In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your DNS MX records and update them in Squarespace, followed by waiting for the changes to propagate. Understanding how to manage your DNS settings and MX records is crucial for ensuring that your email services function smoothly and without interruption. Let's dive right in by understanding exactly what MX records are and why they are so important. MX stands for Mail Exchange, and these records are a critical component of your domain's DNS settings. They dictate how your domain handles email traffic, specifying the mail server responsible for receiving your domain's incoming emails. It's important to have accurate MX records to prevent email issues such as delivery failures or downtime. The first step is to check your current DNS MX records. You can do this through various online tools available. Simply search for DNS lookup tool online. Once you've selected a tool, enter your domain name and check the section that specifies the MX records. Carefully note these details as they'll let you know which mail servers are currently managing your email traffic. If you need to update or correct these records, the next step is essential. With the information on your current MX records handy, it's time to proceed to Squarespace, where you'll manage your domain settings. Log into your Squarespace account and navigate to the Home menu where you'll find Settings. Within Settings, locate the Domains option. Click on Domains and you'll see a list of all the domains you're managing through Squarespace. Select the domain for which you need to update the MX records. Then, look for a button or tab labeled DNS Settings or DNS Records. This is where you can make changes to the DNS records associated with your domain. Once inside, you'll want to choose an option like Add Record if you need to insert a new MX record, or select existing MX records for editing if changes are needed. When updating your MX records in Squarespace, you'll usually need to input information like the priority of the MX record and the address of the mail server. The priority is just a number, often starting at 0 or 10, which indicates the order mail should be routed when multiple MX records exist. The smaller the number, the higher the priority. You'll need this information from your email provider to input correctly. After making the necessary changes, save your updated DNS settings. Now, the final process is all about patience, waiting for the DNS changes to propagate. This means allowing time for the changes to spread across the internet, which can take anywhere from a few hours to 72 hours depending on global DNS caching. And there you have it, a step-by-step process to update your DNS MX records in Squarespace. Remember, this is an important process to ensure that your email works flawlessly with your domain. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that your domain management experience becomes smoother and hassle-free.